In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with LinkedIn, including LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Recruiter in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a marketing manager or part of a sales team, combining HubSpot's powerful marketing tools with LinkedIn's vast professional network can dramatically streamline your workflow. Integrating these platforms allows you to sync contact information, manage communications, and better track potential leads. Let's dive into the steps required to make this integration possible. First, head over to HubSpot's homepage, open your preferred browser and type in hubspot.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll want to locate the login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your credentials to log into your HubSpot account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. Here, you have access to all the features and tools HubSpot has to offer. You might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout if you're new to it. Next, we need to navigate to the HubSpot Marketplace. On your dashboard, look for the Marketplace icon. It's typically represented by a small shopping bag icon located somewhere on the side panel. Clicking on this icon will take you to the Marketplace where you can find a variety of apps and integrations that work seamlessly with HubSpot. In the Marketplace, click on the Apps section. This section allows you to browse through a vast collection of applications that can extend the functionality of your HubSpot account. Now you'll want to locate the LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration. In the search bar within the Apps section, type Sales Navigator. You should see a list of relevant results. Find the Sales Navigator app and click on it to view more details about the integration. Following this, click on the LinkedIn Sales Navigator option. This will take you to the dedicated page for the integration. Here you'll find comprehensive information, including user reviews and setup instructions. Take a moment to read through these details if you want to understand more about how this integration can benefit you. Finally, you're ready to install. On the LinkedIn Sales Navigator page, there should be an Install App button. Clicking this button will begin the installation process. Follow any additional prompts to authorize or finalize the setup. After installation, LinkedIn Sales Navigator will be integrated into your HubSpot ecosystem, and you'll be able to manage LinkedIn connections and messages directly from your HubSpot portal. And there you have it. Integrating HubSpot with LinkedIn is as simple as that. With this setup, you'll have a robust system that enhances your networking and lead management capabilities, making it easier than ever to connect with potential clients and partners. If you have any questions or run into issues along the way, be sure to consult HubSpot's support resources or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.